So welcome back to the video. In this video we're going to do a troubleshooting project on static routing. So let's see the instruction. Ping 192.168.30.2 from router 0. So let's see from router 0 to 192.168.30.2, which is router 3 over here. So let's try and see how it goes place. So I'll go into CLI. So I'll do enable conf t host name router 0, and then I'll go back, ping 192.168.30.2. let's see what happens. So you see that U indicates like the host is unreachable, so definitely there will be some problem in like router 1 and router 2, like this two networks over here. So for just for understanding issue, I'll just draw a network boundary over here. Let's select another color, draw second boundary over here, and third. So oh my god, sorry, third network over here. So basically router 1 is unaware of router 20.0 network and 30.0 network, and then whereas router 1 is unaware of 30. network, and then router 2 is unaware of 10.0 network, and then router 3 is unaware of 20.0 and 10.0 network. So let's check the routing tables first, and then let's do ahead. So show IP route. So it says over here router 1 is connected to 10.0 network, that is correct, and then there are two static route in the routing table. So static route to reach the network 20.0, you should go through like 10.2, which is correct. Oh sorry, I forgot to put here .2. okay, and then yeah, .2 over here, and then to reach 30.0 you need to take the next hop as 10.2, which is correct. So there seems no problem over there. And then let's check the IP2. So show IP interface brief. So the IP is supposed to be 10.1 over here, but the IP is configured wrong, so that is 10.5. so let's correct it. So go to config mode, interface G000, and then no IP address 192.168.10.5 subnet 255.255.0, and then put in the IP address of 10.1. So the configuration of router 1 looks good, router 0 looks good. So let's check the IP table on the router 1 over here. So enable, so there is no router name over here, conf t host name router 1 over here, sorry, router 1, and then do show IP route. So sorry, so as you can see it is directly connected to 10.0, but it doesn't shows like 20.0. so the red light indicates that the link is down, and then even the G001 link is down of router 1, and G00 of router 2 is linked down. So let's just do link up. So interface G001 no shut, and then let's do over here too, enable conf t host name router 2, sorry, and then interface G00 no shut. So as soon as you do no shut, it says that the line protocol goes up over here, and then go back, and then go to router 1 backside, and then check the routing table again, do show IP route. So as you can see, it is directly connected to 10.0 network over here, and then connected to 20.0 network over here, and then a static route is being configured to 30.0 network through 20.3, which is correct. So still we need to check the IP addresses too. So do show IP interface brief. So over here G00 has 10.2, which is correct, and then G001 has 20.1. so then let's check the subnet. Show do show running config, and then let's go. G00 has /24 network, and then G001 has also /24 network. So router 2 router 1 also looks good. So let's try pinging 10.2. Sorry, let's check router 2 over here, and then let's check the IP interface, sorry, IP table of router 2. So do show IP route. So it says it has a directed connected route to 20.0, but it doesn't has a connected route to 30.0. That's strange. So let's check the IP2. So do show IP interface brief. So as you can see, G00 has an IP of 20.2, but G001 is not being assigned an IP address. So that's why maybe it doesn't knows the network of 30.2. So let's configure an IP, and then they both are like up, right? Okay, so let's configure IP on G001, interface G001 over here, and then IP address 192.168.30.1/24, and then no shut, and then let's check the IP table again. Do show IP route, and then as soon as you configure an IP, you can see two connected routes. So 1 to 20.2 on G00 interface, okay, and then you can see 30.2 on G001 interface, correct. And then it has a static route to network 10.0 through 20.1. okay, that's the static route is being also being correct, configured right. And then again let's check router 3 whether the IP table is being right. So enable conf t, configure the host name right, router 3 over here, my bad, and then let's check show IP route. So do show IP route. So it has a connected route to 30.0 network over here, and then it has two static routes being configured to reach 10.0 network and 20.0 network through 30.1, which is correct. So everything seems correct now, and then let's see if we are able to ping from router 0 to router 1. So ping 192.168.30.2. so let's see what happens over here. Yeah, so it says it can ping the router, okay, and then let's do trace route to trace route 192.168.30.2. so it says like it goes through 10.2 over here, and then 20.2, which is over here, and then goes to the pings to 30.2. so in this way we are successfully able to solve the troubleshooting problem of static routing. So you just need to check whether the routing table and the IP interfaces, sorry, IP addresses on the interfaces are correctly configured. So that's all for this video, and then I recommend you to see my static routing 2 video, and this I like demonstrated the same kind of problem. So that's all for this video. I hope static routing troubleshooting project is being cleared to you. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you.